Powered by cheapest premium domain name marketplace, www.brandbazaar.xyz.
Tea leaves, history and you. This video is brought to you by cheapest premium domain name marketplace www.brandbazaar.xyz. Legend has it that the first cup of tea was brewed in 2737 years before Christ, when dried leaves landed in a boiling cup of water served to the Chinese Emperor Shen Nong. From China, the idea of tea spread throughout the world. It's interesting to know that it was the Europeans that made tea widely accepted, globally. Tea was first brought to Europe from China in the 16th century, and from there it spread to other parts of the world, and at the time it was popularly called chai, or tea of China. It's still called chai in northern Nigeria, Egypt and other parts of Africa. What you don't know is that tea did not begin as a necessity for Europe, though it quickly became one. It was first imported as an exotic medicine, then was promoted as a safe alternative to gin, which at the time ranked as the most popular staple drink around, and finally as a mass-consumed product. It was first sold in London at Garway's Coffee House in 1657. The tea leaves come in only 6 main variants: green tea, black tea, dark tea, white tea, oolong, and pu'er. What you must know is that all types of tea come from the same basic plant, the Camellia sinensis plant. The differences between teas arise from processing, growing conditions, topography and geography. The Camellia sinensis plant is native to Asia, but is currently cultivated around the world in tropical and subtropical regions. With over 3,000 varieties, tea is the most consumed beverage in the world after water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on both Facebook, YouTube and rumble.com. Until our next video, keep reading.
Powered by cheapest premium domain name marketplace, www.brandbazaar.xyz.